We are at Inepro booth at the Hannover Messe press preview where you can find some cute looking energy meters. Now these energy meters, Inepro is based out of Netherlands, but these energy meters also have some Indian connection. So they have certain components which is manufactured in India, and thanks for having the confidence in the Indian manufacturers. So we are having Kovan Den Ham, and he is the head of business, and he consults for Inepro. So can you just tell about this product, which I believe is one of the product in Europe?
Yeah, we are a manufacturer of this energy meters in Europe, and we do it in Holland with a small team, but we do all the development and the design ourselves, and then we manufacture outside of Holland because of the efficiency in manufacturing. And the series exists of three types at this moment. That is a two-module, indirect connected energy meter, three-phase. This is a three-phase direct connected meter, and this is also the same as this one, but this has a U connection and this has a S connection. So we can serve all markets. It is suitable for Aron and Delta connection, and it's suitable for ordinary four-wire and three-phase connection. Then internally it has Modbus and Mbus. It is foreseen with Bluetooth communication, so you can read out data and you can program the meter with the Bluetooth on your app. We have an app for that. That's mainly the features.
See, energy meters are not new. There are many energy meters available for years and years.
Absolutely.
So what makes Inepro different with this product?
Well, first of all, our company. So it's not only about the products, it's also about the attitude we have to the market. We make business personal, we always say, so we connect people to us and then they take our meters. But it's also efficient because of the Wago clamps. You don't have to screw your wires, you just push in the wires like in this picture. And only if you want to take them out, you have to push the levers. And that is an efficiency nobody has. You do a connection with this meter in 30 seconds. So if you, for instance, in the car charging industry, they make 1,000 car loading calls per week, and you save 5 minutes on each meter, 1,000 loading calls, you have an efficiency which is you can calculate with. And of course, the communication, Modbus, Mbus internally, Bluetooth connection, nobody has Bluetooth connection.
Okay, that is what you told, that it is the only one manufacturer in Europe with energy meters who is having a Bluetooth connectivity.
Absolutely, yeah. And then we have a TCP IP connection, and it is connected RS-232, and we can develop any communication like a CAN bus or a Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi we already have developed. This is TCP IP, and any other communication module we can add to the meter.
So now you are marketing this only in Europe, or you are exporting even to other countries?
Mainly in Europe. We have some clients in Taiwan and in China, but mainly 95% of our market is Europe.
I think that is also the market demand. Like you need more flexible, very more simple.
Absolutely.
The people are not much, you want plug and play device. I can say this is a plug and play energy meter.
It is, yes, because of the wiring and because of the programming, anybody can install a meter like this.
We are very happy that one of the best product or the very flexible product in Europe is having components manufactured from in India.
Yeah, some components, not the total assembly is India, but some of our products come from India. That's correct.
And also they are looking for more suppliers.
Yes.
If any reliable suppliers are there in India for having their energy meters, they are looking for suppliers, and that's again an opportunity for the Indian manufacturers to get in touch with Inepro.
Absolutely true.
We wish you all the very best for Hannover Messe 2023, and thanks for sharing your time with us.
Well, thank you for having us.